Welcome. In this video, let's try an ACCA MA exam question together where you'll need to use your knowledge of marginal and absorption costing to get to the right answer. I've got the question on the screen, and we begin by reading the requirement. They're asking us for the budgeted fixed overheads for the year. Now at this point, I'm not sure where that's going to come from, so I'll need to read more. And we learn that there is a fixed overhead absorption rate in use in this company. So we need to remember that an overhead absorption rate, we are spreading the fixed overheads to the cost units by the consumption of labor hours. So before we go further, I would like to visualize that equation. And we know that an overhead absorption rate is equal to the budgeted overheads over the budgeted labor hours. And we know that that is actually 8. So we could do $8 is equal to something over something. And the budgeted fixed overheads are going to be up here. So do you see what we need to do? I see what we need to do. If we can plug the total hours into the denominator, we could work backwards, couldn't we? Let's read further, and we'll go back to that top line, and let's see exactly what type of labor hours we're looking for. Well, we're looking for direct labor, not indirect labor. Direct labor, the work that can be easily traced to the cost units. Well, if we look now, we have budgeted info. We've got a budget for skilled production and unskilled production. So that would be the direct labor. Without any other information, we can assume that factory supervision, that's an indirect cost because the supervisors, they're filling out reports, they're doing quality control analysis. Their work is less directly linked to the cost units. So we've identified the type of workers whose hours we need. They give us a total cost. How could we turn that into a total hours? Well, if we read further, what do we find? We find that the skilled production workers are paid $4 an hour, and the unskilled guys are paid $3 an hour. Now we've unlocked this. So we can turn a total cost into total hours by dividing by something. What do you think? That's right, we'll divide by the hourly rate. 36 divided by 4 would be 9, or 90,000 hours. 180 divided by 3, well, that would be 60,000 hours. And the total of those would be 150,000 hours. So guys, the solution is so close. We need to plug the total hours into the numerator. Now, if we multiply the 8 by the 150,000, we can arrive at the correct answer, which is $1,200,000. Answer is C. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how we can use our knowledge of marginal and absorption costing to solve a tricky ACCA MA question.